everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Today is January 11th, 2022, and this is a Tuesday, and it is 12:30. No, I'm sorry, 11:30. And I'm here to do a review on the floor for the bathroom that I did, that has the marble contact paper behind that shower curtain. You can see I changed the shower curtain from what my daughter had before. You can see a little bit of the peak of the contact paper, but I'm here doing the floor review. I already did a review on the shower. This June will be 2 years, yes, because I did this bathroom in June or July of 2020. But I'm here doing a review to show you that it is holding up well. I think the only thing that I need to do is just refresh the edges with the caulking. I already mopped the floor to show you all that it is holding up well. The only thing, and that I showed you all when I was cleaning, this here stain is when I put I think it was a bottle of Fabulous or something in the tank to just keep the freshness when they flush. There was a leak, she said, in her tank, which leaked onto that, and that caused it to stain. So this floor doesn't have any kind of protected sealing to it to protect from, I guess, stains like that. Of course, that's the grout that turned, you know, around there. So I'm just going to freshen that up with some more caulk. I don't want to, I'm gonna try maybe peel a little bit of it up, scrub, and then put a fresh caulk of white around it. But I'm just here to show you that it's holding up. There's no peeling up. The grouting that I did is still holding. This is around the sink. I'm sorry, my finger's in the way. But I like this in here around there. Of course, I got to touch up. I still didn't go inside the linen closet to add here. It's not pulling away. I just didn't lay that down right. But a lot has happened. Unfortunately, my daughter's father passed in July of 2021. So there's a halt on me, you know, doing the makeover of the house. He wanted me to do the entire house, and that was the plans. But now my daughter, she's now the owner of the home. So out of respect for her, she's not ready to let go of the way her dad had it. So when she tells me she's ready for me to proceed on decorating the, you know, redoing the makeover of the entire house, that's when we'll do it. But out of respect to her, not wanting to let go of anything of how her dad had it decorated. Nothing else is going to be done to the house until she says when. And I think we all can understand that. But I just wanted to do this review of the floor. Oh, and also he did do the faucet that same year when I did it 2020. So this is the new faucet. And it's really, really nice. Okay, so to let you all know, the floor is holding up. It just needs mopping, sweeping and mopping. No waxing or anything because it doesn't have a clear gloss overlay. And again, I guess it's not protected against any kind of stain because of that, that staining there. And again, that's just drip from a bottle of Fabuloso. So every time they flush the toilet, it gives off a fresh scent. Well, it sat there and it stained the floor. So whether any kind of protectant can be put on this, I would imagine it could. I'm going to try to put this floor down in my house, maybe in my bathroom and in the guest hall bathroom, and possibly in the dining area and the kitchen, because I didn't get done what I wanted done to mine. So since I already know how to do this, I may just do this so it's no charge out of pocket to me, to a third party to do it for me. So this is something I would recommend to anyone that would like to do this. I've seen maybe 2 YouTubers that use this. It's Wayna of Wayna's World in her bathroom. If I'm not mistaken, I remember she put a clear shower curtain on her floor, bathroom floor. It's a rental apartment, before she put this on top. This is my daughter's house now. And so at the time when I did this, her dad didn't mind me putting it directly on the floor. So this is directly on the floor. And then I saw another YouTuber, Dalia. I love that she laid hers in, and I'll put a flash that video, and I'll link both their videos, Dalia's and Wayna's, in my description box, so you can see how they laid theirs, because they laid theirs differently. Wayna's is laid like this, except she has a shower curtain under her flooring. And then Dalia just cut hers and did a pattern with hers, which I absolutely love. But this is just a review to show you all that I absolutely love it. And again, June will be 2 years that this has been down. Let me see, shower curtain. And this is the shower that I did. You can see my grandson puts his rags there. But this is holding up. Someone said in a comment that this would have looked really nice going the long way, so it'd have a waterfall, which it really would. But her dad wanted me to just lay it like this, and it looks good like that as well. But again, that's just the shower. And again, you can see I changed the curtain. But again, this is just a review on the floor. And then there's the vanity as well. I still haven't changed this out. I remember telling you all in my review when I was doing the shower that I was going to take this and recover the whole thing. I'm visiting here, so I might do it this weekend while I'm here. And then I may seal it like I did my sister's. I'll put her video when I did her bathroom using this paper, and I did the polyurethane over hers. So I might do that to this. Okay, and that's it for this review of this floor. I also did a review of my youngest daughter's kitchen floor, but I'll put that in so you all can see that as well. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you like the videos that you've seen on my channel and have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And then I love to read your comments. And don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember,
The distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.